I'm here with Robert and we're in his 1966 Triumph TR4A. We're just driving around the roads of Bath today. We've got some lovely dry weather. It's a little bit cold. It's just getting into autumn now. This is the Meet the Owner video, so I'm going to ask Robert a few questions about his ownership, how long he's in the car, and so on. So if you want to say hi, Robert.
Hi, Robert.
How long have you in the car?
I've only owned it since August last year.
Okay, that's great. And so August last year. In that time, what have you done to the car, or have you done much to it?
Well, the car was in pretty good nick. And what I've done is actually to make sure I can retain it in good condition. I totally waxed-out the total chassis and all the box sessions, taken the door cards off and waxed out the bottoms of doors, so rust won't actually appear, because these cars can be notorious for rust. Yeah. But this is a solid car.
Yeah. And if you look at the exterior videos that I've just done and the interior, you can see it's spotless. Why did you want to buy the car? Was it something you've always been attracted to? Was it always one you wanted to own?
Well, this is the funny one, because I've actually, in my back garden, we've got quite a large back garden, I've got a 1947 Ferguson tractor, and actually the engine in this car is exactly the same as the Ferguson tractor. Believe it or not. I mean, it goes considerably faster because of the gearbox ratios and what have you.
And the weight difference.
And I know a bit about the Ferguson tractors, so it's. I've always wanted one of these TRs for years, and I wanted the TR4 because I like the bulge in the bonnet, where the TR6 is
just flat.
A bit flat, yeah. I just like the look of it. And sorry, balance the camera. Is there anything that needs doing to the car? Well, it's a classic car. There's always something that needs doing. So, what I'm going to do before I sell it, I'm going to change all the oils, do an oil change and everything, so it'll have fresh oil and everything. The things we've actually done since I've owned it, I've also refaced all the brakes, redone the brakes, and it's as you can see, we're driving it. It's engine oil needs to be replaced every 3,000 miles in these cars. It seems a lot, but it is a classic car, so
it needs to be done.
So what I've come up now, it's now about 3,000 miles to when
you've owned it.
Not since I've owned it, because I've only done what 800-900 miles on it since I've owned it. Yeah.
Okay, great, fantastic. And during your ownership, have you taken it on weekend trips or taken it to shows or anything?
I've taken a few. I don't like going to shows where you just sit in the field and people come up and talk about it as if they know everything and anything and everything about the car. But we do go on these classic rallies, non-competitive rallies, where you're given the instructions. You have to go to a certain point, which is fun. You know, you're going around the country with 100 different cars, classic cars, and that's what I like doing.
Oh, fantastic! Well, thank you very much for your time, Robert. There's lots of videos, photos on the website, so please view them all. And if you have any questions,